Ready to rumble! Charis! And day 3. Day 3, di ba? Yes, it's day 3 and this is my outfit. Char! Magpo-photoshoot kami sa malapit sa beach. Di ba? Kabog. Ang person. Lalaban kami. Char! Ala, ang outfit niya. O, tingnan mo siya. Hello! Eto na. At magpipictorial kami dito sa labas. Ayan sila. Oh. Ang aga natin. Marami kaming gagawin for today's video. Meron kaming meeting for the Ay, ito yung club Club member ba yan? Oo. Oh my god, look at this guys. It's so beautiful. Hindi, may siya, way siya. Meron siyang way to heaven. Charis. Kabog. Hello everyone! And ngayon makipicture kami, photoshoot kami for today's video. Ayan. And mamaya meron kaming shopping mall at 3 p.m. You know, kakatapos lang ng meeting namin for the artista. Ayan, makipicture siya.
Ito yung bigay, oh.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we are going to shopping second day.
Second day.
Shopping second day.
Shopping attempt.
Tara, say hello to my vlog.
Noong second day sa shoot, lumabas siya wala kahapon.
Yes.
Tapos palpa. Ayun.
Hindi naman siyang palpa.
I mean,
Reply yung sabi ko.
Oh my
sabi niya sa
God.
akin, ako rin text niya. Yes, they have different drivers.
Chocolate tea.
Can you try this?
No, no.
Dale,
dale. Chocolate tea is made.
Oh, but this one is
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Dale. The chocolate tea is made with the chair of the Popovich. It's caffeine free, good for memory and digesting.
The tea, right?
It's chocolate tea.
Can I try the chocolate? How much is this one? How
2
much?
for 15. 2 for 15. 13. 80. Ay, sorry.
How do you cook this? How do you make it? The
On a
chocolate
strainer, on a strainer, hot water and honey or sugar.
honey or sugar? Oh, okay.
This is hot chocolate.
Sugar free.
Oh, it's a
And sir, we have free sample the chocolate bar.
Okay.
Pop tayo?
Do you
Sige, tigis.
do you like white meat or dark?
Light.
Oh, this is the display. Sorry, I took the
This is my favorite. This is milk chocolate Caesar with cocoa bean.
Bakit kami? Oo.
Right, sir?
Yeah,
Lady, this is the other side.
okay na yung try match, ha?
Yes.
And we, name.
Try
Is that the one, right? Those are
Do you
this?
like sweet or darling?
Can I try the dragon?
Sweet. Matakam na. Lady, dark or sweet? Sweet. Just too much.
Tell mo how much.
What can I do?
How much is the one box?
Nine.
One box.
Nine.
Oh, $9.
No sale going on?
No sale. No sale. Final sale?
Just that.
Yeah, just can I try this one?
Seaweed.
Seaweed?
Lady,
The seaweed.
Seaweed?
Can I try some?
Spirulina.
matcha?
Can I try matcha?
Ayun.
Yeah, matcha? The first one is good.
I'm gonna get that. You said the first one you gave me? I'm gonna get that.
Then the gusto.
What's Blanco?
Blanco?
No, what's that? What's Blanco?
White chocolate plain.
Yes.
Oh, white.
White chocolate.
No, I'm good.
No white.
Oh, how about this one?
Dragon. Yeah,
Oh, is it dragon fruit? Dragon fruit?
See, yes. Dragon fruit.
Can I try the dragon fruit as well?
Can I try the moreno?
This is white chocolate with cocoa bean.
Ah, it's the same. Okay, that's what.
Hazelnut. 37.
Not like it.
Can I try the black?
So, kuha mo ako nito?
Hindi, akin yan.
Kakalakati tayo.
Ay, isa tayo.
Sige ba? Tigisa tayo?
Hindi kay Joy yung dalawa.
Okay.
Mas tag-isa tayo dyan.
Okay. Kasi hindi na ako magkuha nito. Yun na lang ako. Kala ko matamis na talaga.
Sarap. Grabe yung chocolate dito. Amazing. Oh, you need to pay the... Oh, just the chocolate. Oh, okay. So, nandito na ako sa Uber. Pupunta kami sa marketplace. Marketplace? Ano to? So, ang tip ko dito is Q-tips. Charis. Hindi, mag-ano kayo, pag pupunta kayo sa libreng rides, ano ba? Charis, mag-Uber kayo. Ayan, pag pumunta kayo Dominican, mag-Uber kayo. Ay, thank you so much. Kala ko dito na sa libreng niya. Nag-thank you pa ako. Kaya mag-Uber kayo mas mura. Ganon. Habang nandito kami sa Serena Market. Parang turista lang. Turista nga. Ano ba? Bibili kami ng mga ano dito sa Dominican. Habang. Ayo, enjoy sila mag-shopping. Dahil pera, gano'n. Okay, we're done shopping. At kami pupunta sa mall. Downtown mall. At yung grocery.
Gusto ba niya maglakad?
Mas magandami grocery mo. Grocery. Oh. That's si Jetro. Let's go. Love, love, love. Ay, ng downtown mall.
Baka sumunod na lang siguro ako dyan.
Uy, pwede
Ay,
ako.
nakaupo ka kasi dyan.
Hindi, sige, daling, sige, keep ko na lang. Pag may white shirt, no, may mo na lang.
Okay, so I'm gonna buy some slippers because sasakyan na ng paa ko. Wait lang. And later bila ka na damit pang swimming. And ayan, tapos na ang aming shopping spree. Sabo. Dito kami sa Uber. O, diba? Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun. Pati ka na, Bella. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait,
So, dito namin sa hotel namin at ang first na ginawa namin is order the alcohol. Oh, diba? Ganon. Ganon. Ito namin order namin. Oh my God! Aray. Magiging kami ng reservation namin for our dinner, which is Italian. So, I'm gonna show you the food and everything later. Just pakiga ko na gano'n. And this is my Bella. Bella!
say hi.
Hi! Okay, another drink. Another tip. Dahil lang. Uy, ang ganda ng ano. Ay, ang sarap.
Ang sarap, no?
Yeah.
Ako na una.
The color is, it's so vibing.
Yeah.
Vibing.
That's my new favorite.
Tomorrow. And then,
Sikito.
yeah, on Friday, we're going to private room. Oh, kabog yan. Yeah, that one. Oo, yeah.
Pangasipot.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi naman puro sikito.
Hello, so we are in the restaurant.
So,
Hi
nagpapakay
kami ng
sa
dinner.
Hindi.
And I will show you the food and everything. So you guys ready?
Sabi kasi niya, sabi niya,
Starter. Tatlong pizza.
Isang starter yun.
isang start.
Hindi mo lang mula. Hindi mo mula ka ng quick.
Meron na yun?
Ay, tari naman.
Let's go.
Nanonood po ang tatay ko.
Buksan mo yun yun.
Tumaas yung balikat eh. Tumaas yung balikat.
So ayan, nakasolid na sila. Ito nakasolid. Ay, solid ah. Charis. Aga-aga.
Aga-aga baksa.
Ay, Himala Box! Congratulations! Nauna siya. Hello everyone! Good morning! Third day na. That means ilang araw na lang. So, today's video, solid ano kami, specific color. So, akin, ay, solid naman siya, Bakso. Oh, solid pag nasa, ganyan lang yung mukha. And then, naka-ano ako, tapos, ayan sila, naka-white, naka-brown. And then, si Bella is naka-green. Diba? Ayan. And, punta kami sa, of course, buffet breakfast! Let's go! Nagkita yung si Jetro doon, and then si Joy. Yun na ba si Joy? Okay. Mag-ready na kami para sa go, go, go! Okay, let's go!
Sumi ka na na.
And let's go for the breakfast.
Deliver mo na kami ha. Ben,
Tapos may picture, ano ba?
papalit ko kami. Pag-pag-pag-pag lang kami.
Ay, ang hassle niya.
Hindi ko makakasin.
Swimming din kami. Hindi mamaya na yung picture. Oo nga, after na lang. So mag-picture-picture muna kami for today's video. At lalaban kami. Char!
Monsters. Is that the monsters?
Pupunta ba tayo mag-ano?
Ice cream go. Ay! Chocorika! Ang tawag dito.
That's not the hero.
Do you like chocolate, Bala? Yeah, Chucky. Let's go! Yummy! Ang outfit ko. Mag-ice cream muna kami. Dahil kailangan ligpitin yung room namin ng ng waitress. Waitress! Maitim na namin. My goodness. Oh, shit. Meron ata. Hey! Ayan. So, libre lahat yan. Basta pag nakapasok ka lang dito at meron kang ganit. Libre lahat. Charis. Ayan, nag-dessert muna kami dahil mamaya bakbakan na later. Mabay na naman.
May banana.
Yes. Good morning! Ito na, malapit-lapit na tayo umuwi sa Edmonton. And for today's color, ang dress up namin is white, all white. Diba? Ayan. Magpipicturean kami sa beach. Yes, beach. Let's go. Ay. Init. Init. Tapos mamaya uulan. So, magpipicturean muna kami. Ayan, Bella. Hi, Bella. Hi. Hello. Picturean mo na. Kabay ka. Ay. Super init. Tara na. Nandito kami sa buffet and look at my eye. Tapos na mag-breakfast. At magpapahinga muna kami. Para may energy later. Saka tomorrow. Ay, Grabe naman. Ay, may inom yan. Kaya nga. Ayun, nag-aaya sila ng volleyball for today's video. Tara. Let's go. Ito yung mga team ko dyan. Yung mga team dyan. Tara. Grabe naman yung mata mo, Chewa. Oh my God. So, mag-lunch na kami. Puro kain. Kaya, katabi namin yung dagat. Oh, diba? Ayan, oh. Hindi makita yung dagat. So, kakatapos lang po ng aming swimming ability. Ay, swimming. Beach Valley. Grabe. How is yan? Gravity of person. Oh no! Ano pong masasabi niyo po? Ah,
Sarap.
ano masasabi niyo sa mata ko? Tsaka hindi.
Ano na sa mata mo pala? Sino yung ano?
2 and 3.
Hindi pa natin gagawin.
Ay, oh.
Narada niya tayo.
Hurry, Daddy.
Ay, pata ko naglagay ng 4.
Si Bella mo.
Thank you, Bella. Press 3 for me, please. Press the 3 and 4. Thank you so much.
O, diba? Kahit ganyan yung mata, laban na. And punta kami sa aming restaurant. Ay, ang bagong dating. Ah, bagong dating. Gravity. Diba?
Hola. May I help you, sir? Taga-nag-save ba sila? Bakit taga-nurse?
Ayun yung mga food, oh. Kabog.
Si Jazz, favorite ni Jazz.
Gusto ko ng sweet. Sweet.
May piso-piso guys.
Like,
Pangkit daw, kid.
Piso-piso. Yung
yung sa bag.
So they have a pool outside. Ayun.
I didn't know.
Ah. Samahan kita, Bax?
Mama ba?
Samahan na kita, Bax.
Number on?
Wait lang, say please muna.
Please.
Ayan. Good morning and today is the last day. And nandito kami sa private room. O, diba? Susan. May ganyan kaming room. Diba? Waiting for them. Papunta na sila. Hindi ako nag-breakfast. Masakit ang aking mata. Charis! Namamaga. Okay. See you later. Wait for them. There you go. Aming lunch. Kabog. Chloe, Bella. Bella. So, kakatapos lang ng aming bungalow. Ayun, yung ano namin. Yung cabin. At magsha-shower para sa pictorial later. Ang team namin is Passion. Today's Passion. Last night, magpipictorial kami. And then after, we're having a dinner. Last dinner. Daming tao. Right?
Pababa talaga, no?
My feet.
Aba? Ah, siya, nasa fine dine-in. Ah? Hindi ko kita. Grabe, pikitan na labanan dito, pikitan.
Ano?
Pikitan. Pikit lang. Las 8. Sana. So we are watching Circus, Candyland. At ang baby. Ibabalit ang Pampers. Ah, diba? Ay! Ay, ay! Tulog na si Bella. Ay, tulog na si Unicorn. Grabe yung mata ko. Tara. Ah, diba?
Maganda yung eksena sa vlog mo, Bax.
Saan? Doon. Uwian na today is the last day. So, isip na maaga dahil may flight pa bukas. Let's get it on. Good night, everyone. Ay, baka maano. Oh my God. Hindi ko na-charge. Hindi ko na-charge.
Never mo chinar?
Hindi kalimutan ko i-charge. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ito na. Uwian na. Hatira na sa airport. Oh my God. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. See you there. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, ito na. Ito na ang aming last day, last lunch. May lunch pa ba? Mamaya magtayo-tayo ka doon.
Wala na, sarado na yun.
Hila ba?
Hindi na tayo pa tayo umalis.
Tara.
Ay, di talaga?
Oo. Tara, let's go. Blah, blah, blah. Let's get it on. Maganda, oh. Beach eh.
Pwede ba isang pao ipot sa loob?
Hindi po say.
Mas bigyan anak sa banana. Oh, other side. Happy graduation day. Ay. Home time. Let's get it on. Let's get it on, Bala. Let's go, Toronto. Sa Toronto na kami. My God, connecting to Edmonton. Walang 13C.
13C is gonna be just 13G. Here's maybe the other side.
Ay, tapos. Ang ganda. Hello. The new economy. Hello.